Welcome to another set of video. Take your hair, divide it in two sections, tie both the sections in a form of ponytail, then take the lower end of your hair, divide it in three parts and make clean platings out of that three parts of your hair. Secure the lower end with a rubber band and pass it through the gap to the second part. Then pull it upwards just like this and yeah, you're good to go. Then secure it with a bobby pin. Take your hair, make it in two sections, divide it in two sections and then tie one of the sections with a rubber band. Then divide the lower part of your hair in three sections and make plaits out of it. Take all the three sections and tie it together. Then secure it with a bobby pin, roll it upwards. Take your hair and divide it in the form of half ponytail. Take the lower end and secure it with a rubber band. Take a rubber band again and pass one of the parts of your hair through that rubber band quickly, taking out the rubber band. Take both the ends and repeat the same process by pulling out and letting in the rubber band consecutively. Take the lower end and secure it with a rubber band. Tie your hair in the form of half ponytail, roll it upwards just like this. Take another end of your hair and tie it with a rubber band again. Take one end of the hair and pass it through the upper part of the hair, roll it upwards just like this. Then divide the lower part into three parts and make clean plaits out of it. Roll that plait to the inner end and secure it with a bobby pin. Take your hair, divide it into two and make half ponytails with those two sections. Then divide the lower end into two parts and make simple plaits. Roll it upwards in the form of circles, secure it with a bobby pin. Take your hair in the form of side half ponytail and divide it into two parts. Then pass a rubber band through one end, carefully taking it out through the hair with another. Then take the lower end of your hair, divide it into three, make clean ponytails and plaits out of it. Secure the lower end, roll it upwards and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Take your hair and make ponytail out of it. Secure it tightly with 5-legged bobby pin just like this, twisting it to and fro. Take the remaining hair, do clean plaits out of that remaining hair properly. Use your fingers and hands to its best extent. Then tie the lower end with a rubber band just like this. Split upwards in a form of circle, securing it tightly with a bobby pin. Take your hair in the form of half ponytail, divide it to the upper part, roll it and then divide it into three parts again, making it in the form of a plait. Roll the plait upwards in the form of circle, secure it with a bobby pin. Thanks for watching.